again, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to edit your template that I have for you for the Merry Christmas Christmas card. So these are all ornaments. This design, I created the design. The background is not editable, but you can add the photos into the ornaments, and you can also add or change the Merry Christmas as well as the family name. And I'll be showing you how to do that. So basically what you do is you go in to the side over here. They'll have different options for you. You want the upload button first. You're going to go to the upload files, and it will bring up your computer. You upload whatever photographs that you want to your side over here on the left. And then basically what you do once you have your photographs in there, you go ahead and you take them and you slide them so that they hit the ornament. As you could see, the background changed when I went to the background because that's also a frame. But we want just the frames on the ornaments. So if I come over here and I grab our dog, I went to the back. I don't want it in the first one. I want it in the second one. I just make sure that everything sets where I need it to set. Now also, if I bring this on over here in this last ornament, you can see that we're a little bit crooked. If I click on there, I have this little option to turn us a little bit and bring us around. Then, if I want to go in and change my font or my text, all I need to do is go up here to the text button on the left, and I click on the text that I want to change. Now I could put happy holidays, I can put, holidays, whatever I want to change it to. I could keep it at Merry Christmas. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. And then what you would come down here is do the same thing, is from the Mullard family, from whatever your family name is, that's what you would change it to. Now, if you don't like the lettering, you can come up here and you can change the lettering. Now, just a side note, Canva has Canva Pro and there's Canva Free. Now, all of the things that I have in here are free to you, so you won't have to pay any extra by using this template, downloading it, and I'll show you how to download in a minute as well. But if you come over to the side and you see a font that has a little crown, that means that those are fonts that are not free. Those are pro level fonts, and if you don't have Canva Pro, they will charge you extra. Now, if you don't mind paying a little bit extra for a font that you really want, go for it. I just wanted to kind of throw that out there for you just so that you know. But everything on your card should be free, just so you know. If something changes, let me know, because sometimes Canva will change things like at the last minute and not tell anybody and whatever, and then you have to pay for something. But everything on the card should be free for you. Okay, so I'm going to actually just kind of fix this a little bit. There we go. You can change the color. You can, up here in this corner is the text color. You can change whatever you want on there except for the background image and the ornaments themselves. The frames is what you add, but the ornaments themselves have to stay as they are. Once you have everything the way you want it, what you do is you come on up to the share button, you download it. Now you can download it as a PNG. It's a 6x4 size card. So you can download it as a PNG, and then it will download down to your, wherever you keep your downloads. Now you can print the cards with Canva. Of course, they'll charge you for that. But what you can do is take that PNG file. You can take it to a print center. You can take it to Walmart. You can print it from home if you want to. And you can print it just like that, and then you can, use your cards however you like. So just to show you how it all works and how this freebie takes form for you, that's exactly what it does.